15 seconds left in this one. Still your top two. Charles to the lead now. Chance to the 2 spot, and they're both in good shape here. Donnie and CJ have to make sure they get past the line for one more here. 4 seconds left, and they both will. So they're keeping their hopes and dreams alive. Oh, Charles going to get it wrong on the back straight. Here comes Chance. But the lead was so big that does it even matter? Chance and Charles streaking through the twisty section there to the step on and step off. Coming down the stairs, they'll both be moving on to the E-Truck D main. Chance and Charles. We got Donnie and CJ still having a little battle for pride. Never mind, CJ's going to wreck twice in a row. Donnie going to lock up that 3rd spot. Donnie going to finish 3rd.
All drivers are